Hi, my name is Carlee Fraser from Fraser Ford. Recently, some concerns were brought to our attention about our recent Google campaign, and we wanted to address that. The spirit of our campaign was to engage our team to self-promote their excellent customer service skills and technical savvy. We were very excited about how well they responded to the campaign and how actively they promoted their skills and asked for the reviews from our clientele. In no way, shape, or form was our program meant to insult anyone, and at no point in time did we pay for any of the customer reviews, and we wanted to make that clear. Our service team is exceptional, and they are wonderful with their customer service, and they work very hard in order to understand and work with the positive and constructive criticisms that we receive from our clients and their reviews. As such, we've heard about our parking and the issues that we have with our constraints in our space, and we are actively working to find a better solution to make sure that we always have space for our valued customers. We know that we are not perfect, but we do know that we are very customer driven, and we will continue to work hard to improve upon what we do and continue to find ways to earn those positively excellent reviews from our customers. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching. Have a fabulous day.